Hello everybody, welcome to EduTap. So today in this particular video, we are launching a combo course which will help you to target PFRDA Grade A 2025 and IFSCA Grade A 2025. Now before I move ahead to the details of this particular video, EduTap is giving you two free ebooks, one for PFRDA Grade A and one for IFSCA Grade A. Now if you download the ebook, which is absolutely free for the IFSCA Grade A, you will get the previous year question for the year 2023 and for the year 2024 as well. These PYQs will basically help you to analyze that what type of questions are asked in the exam. Moreover, in the PFRDA Grade A 2025, we are giving you a detailed syllabus ebook. Again, the notification says just the topic, but over there you also have to bifurcate those topics, right? Because in HRD, they have just written the concept of HRD and goals of HRD. But you don't have to just study these two topics, right? There are multiple other topics of HRD which you have to study further. So if you download this particular ebook, you can find the detailed syllabus of PFRDA Grade A's exam. The link to download both these ebooks is given in the description box below. So please do check it out, and it's absolutely free. Now today in this video we are launching two combos, that is PFRDA Grade A, IFSCA Grade A Phase 1 Phase 2 full video course, and PFRDA Grade A and IFSCA Grade A Phase 2 full video course. For launching purpose, we are giving you a huge discount, that is flat 70% off. Please do check our website, which is edutap.co.in, and you will be able to see the updated discounts as well. Now obviously, if you are targeting both Phase 1 and Phase 2 as well as interview also, then definitely you will get the access for the PFRDA and IFSCA Grade A course, by which I mean if you are targeting the three phases, all the three phases, then it's good to go with the Phase 1 and Phase 2 full video course. But if you are comfortable in Phase 1 and you think that you will be easily clearing Phase 1 and you need assistance for Phase 2, then definitely you can go for the Phase 2 full video course also. Now which course you have to take, that depends upon you. Moreover, when it comes to the PFRDA Grade A and IFSCA Grade A Phase 1 and Phase 2 full video course, over here for quant, reasoning and English, you will get the videos, chapter wise PYQs and quizzes also. For current affairs, you will get magazines, quizzes, plus the summary of economic survey and your budget and economic survey, plus you will also get the quizzes, plus the annual reports of PFRDA and IFSCA. For Phase 1 mocks, for Phase 1, because this course covers Phase 1 as well, right? So you will get 5 full-length mock tests for PFRDA Grade A Phase 1 Paper 1, 5 full-length mock tests for PFRDA Grade A Phase 1 Paper 2 as well. So in total for PFRDA Grade A, we are providing you 10 full-length mock tests for Phase 1 and equivalent mocks, that is 10 mocks for Phase 2 as well. Okay, but for IFSCA Grade A, we are providing you more mocks. Okay, so you will get 20 mocks for IFSCA Grade A Phase 1 and 20 mocks for IFSCA Grade A Phase 2 as well, because we want you to practice as much as possible. And for all the special components like commerce and accounts, costing, economics, Companies Act, okay, you have insurance, pension, capital and financial markets, the bullion, the spot and derivative market, and multiple other things. Like in IFSC also you have the component of IFSC Act. So for all these spatial components, we are providing you videos, we are providing you concept notes, summary sheet, quizzes and previous year questions chapter wise. Okay, chapter wise. So you can see that this course is quite comprehensive. So if you purchase this particular course, then you don't have to worry that you have to go and do some other self-study as well. Rather, you just purchase this course and you save a lot of your time. Okay, moreover for Phase 2 mocks, again the same number of quantity has been provided, 10 for PFRDA Grade A Phase 2 and 20 for IFSCA Grade A Phase 2. Okay, for descriptive English, you will get the fodder material plus the videos related to how to write an essay, how to write an RC, plus how to write a précis as well. Moreover, if you are looking for live classes, then definitely in this particular course also we are adding live classes, and the total number of live classes, if I combine the live classes for Phase 1 and Phase 2, it will definitely cross 90. Therefore, I have written 90 plus. So if you purchase this particular course, then definitely you have to study hard with us, because in live classes we will teach you, we will address your doubts one-on-one also. So therefore this course is quite comprehensive. If you are looking to purchase the comprehensive course, then this is a good course to go with. Now the question might come to your mind is that, sir, how will I address this, how will I address my doubts in this online course? Don't worry, one such medium to address your doubts is live classes. You can directly talk to the teacher in the live classes. Moreover, you also have the facility of one-on-one discussion call which happens on a telephonic conversation. Then you have discussion forum facility. You also have the facility of emails, and we definitely on discussion forum and emails we address your doubts in 24 hours. Okay, on one-on-one call and your live classes, maybe address your doubts instantly. Now when it comes to our second course, which is PFRDA Grade A and IFSCA Grade A Phase 2 full video course, over here you will not get the material for Phase 1. Okay, over here you will not get the material for Phase 1. So over here what you are getting, my friends, current affairs, yes, again magazine, quizzes, budget and economic survey. We know the importance of budget and economic survey in the IFSC Grade A paper, right? So do not miss to cover the component of budget and economic survey. For all the special components, again for Phase 2, like in IFSC Phase 2 you have what, IFSCA Act, you have the component of pension, you have the component of insurance, you have banking and financial markets, right? In PFRDA Grade A Phase 2 you have the component of commerce, you have the component of Companies Act, costing, right? You also have finance management over here as well. So for all these special components you are getting videos, concept notes, summary sheet, quizzes plus the previous year questions. But mind you, over here you will only get Phase 2 mocks and not Phase 1 mocks. Okay, moreover for descriptive English, again you will get fodder material plus the videos which will help you to understand the basics of essays, to understand the basics of RC, to understand the basics of Prezi writing also. And for live classes, over here the count is less, because over here you will not get the Phase 1 live classes, you will only get the Phase 2 live classes for PFRDA and IFSC Grade A. So again, this is also a good course. If your Phase 1 preparation are sorted, you can definitely subscribe to this course also, and currently the discount code which we are running is combo 70. And in this course also you will get live classes, so your doubts will be addressed through live classes. You will also be able to have the facility of email addressal, discussion forum addressals, plus you can also have one-to-one call connected to your mentor. So this is how these two courses are made. And again, if you are looking for live classes, these two courses are now live. You can go on our website and check it. Okay, so this was the course launch video of our IFSC Grade A Phase 1, Phase 2, as well as PFRDA Grade A Phase 1, Phase 2 full video course, as well as for Phase 2 full video course as well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please call us on 8146207241, and you can also email us your doubts on hello@edutap.co.in. But just remember that our team is working from 9 to 6 only. So this number, which is 8146207241, will be available from 9 to 6. Okay, my friends. So thank you. And if you need anything else, then please let us know in the comment box. Have a good day ahead.